प्रदेश के पूर्व सीएम और टीडीपी चीफ चंद्रबाबू नायडू को हाईकोर्ट से राहत मिली है। हाईकोर्ट ने टीडीपी चीफ के खिलाफ निचली अदालत में लंबित सभी कार्रवाई पर 18 सितंबर तक रोक लगा दी है। आपको बता दें कि नायडू इस समय न्यायिक हिरासत में है। टीडीपी ने हाईकोर्ट से अपने चीफ के खिलाफ FIR और ACB कोर्ट के आदेश को रद्द करने की मांग की थी। आपको ये भी बता दें कि नायडू को युवाओं के कौशल विकास से जुड़े 371 करोड़ रुपए के घोटाले के आरोप में 9 सितंबर को गिरफ्तार किया गया था।
The Honorable High Court, listening to the arguments on the quash petition that was filed by the legal team of Nara Chandrababu Naidu, had today decided to postpone the arguments to 19th of this month, and also gave instructions, clear instructions to the ACB court not to entertain any kind of petition, whether it be the custody petition filed by the CID or any other petitions in the ACB court, till they decide on this petition, quash petition that was filed by the legal team of Chandrababu Naidu Garu, and the arguments next are going to happen on 19th, that is next Tuesday. So we still have belief that this illegal FIR will be quashed, because a lot of sections that are mentioned in the FIR are not at all applicable to this case, and it is purely part of political vendetta. And also the CID, which has become a puppet in the hands of Jagan Reddy's government, had filed this FIR with sections that which cannot be applied.
The basic crux of the arguments that has been presented by the counsels for Mr. Chandrababu Naidu is that the PC Act section 17A subclause 1 subclause C clearly mandates that a prior sanction has to be obtained from the authority which is capable of removing the public servant. So no police officer can initiate any investigation without prior sanction. The authority that can remove Mr. Chandrababu Naidu from his office is governor. As such, as there is a clear absence of a sanction from the office of the governor, any of the investigation whatsoever that has been initiated and brought on record is null and void.
This is a case of the organization being formed for the purpose of siphoning away money. So the Skill Development Corporation is a body that was formed. All the officers had performed their roles of forming the organization or forming committees or transferring funds. The whole orchestration and the conspiracy has been unearthed in this investigation. The whole orchestration is seen in the fact that the amount that is siphoned off has clearly gone into elements' hands who have not at all executed any project. So, on the face of it, it is a 90%, 10% arrangement of funding, and grant in aid as 90%, and 10%, which amounts to 370 crores from Andhra Pradesh government, has been transferred from Andhra Pradesh government by the formation of some GOs, some committees, and exerting pressure on some officers because of the findings of the investigation. So this is a very serious investigation where it is not just pinning down a couple of department heads, but the whole government process of releasing of funds, of cabinet resolutions, GOs back-to-back cabinet resolutions, and all that process. The whole process has been gone through.
Well, Chandrababu Naidu still, has to remain, in the behind the bars, because, a trouble mount for Chandrababu Naidu, we can say, but at the same time, little bit relief for him, because, after they have approached the High Court, actually this political drama started 4 days ago after CID has arrested Chandrababu Naidu. Later he was produced before the ACB court, and ACB court has awarded him 14 days judicial custody, and later, he was lodged in the Rajamahendravaram Central Prison, and immediately after that 2 petitions were moved. One petition was accepted and another petition was rejected, that facilities were provided. The another petition, house arrest petition, was rejected by the ACB court after agreeing with the CID's arguments. And on the other hand, The prosecution as well as the the council were arguing for the this house arrest, and finally CID has succeeded in convincing the ACB court. And on the other hand, immediately after that, the TDP's legal cell has approached the High Court, knocked the High Court doors, and basically praying the High Court, challenging the arrest made by the CID officials, and also at the same time questioning the applicability of Section 409 on ChandraBabu Naidu, because that is a criminal conspiracy by the criminal breach of trust by a public servant, and that High Court has accepted the petition today. High Court heard the petition and also the counsel of the ChandraBabu Naidu, and stated that initially, it has postponed the matter to the next Tuesday, and asked the CID to file a counter on this matter. And judge stated that I need to hear both the parties, that is the counsel and the prosecution.